drinking a Pepsi.
That must be good.
What time is it?
I'm not wearing my watch. It's that time.
This time. Bam! One of these days, I'll get it. Nerd block.
Nerdy blocky.
Excited?
Yes.
Yes.
I am.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, you know, I was watching other videos and people always like hold it up and put the little price and how much it's worth and stuff. And we suck at this.
No, we don't.
But anyways, you know what?
I don't go by braces.
More exciting than a double rainbow. Shirt Punch is gifting you double shirts.
Ooh.
2 shirts. Get it? Get with it. There we go. To you. Shirt Punch. Yay. Well, you know what? I'm going to feel around. Yep. Is that all that's in here?
Yeah, I heard a lot of box. Not a lot of stuff.
I know. Oh, that is so adorable. We're going to do a video of Kimmy fighting for Gizmo.
Let me open it. Let me open it.
Oh my gosh. What is that? Don't feed them.
Don't feed them after midnight.
Don't feed them.
Don't get them wet.
Don't get them wet. Oh, he's so adorable.
They're very good looking.
He is. Wow.
Very, very nice detail on it.
Oh, he's so
Very
cute.
nice.
So cute.
Where's Stripe?
Oh, I like him.
Gizmo Kaka.
I'm very happy with that one. Next
I like
one.
Stripe.
Next one is a Army Builder Pack.
Dungeons and Dragons. You can see that over here.
I'm gonna look.
Army Builder Pack. She's gonna look and drop the thing.
Oh, yeah. Can you tell how pro we are at this? Not. Yes. Add to your army. Prepare your troops. Hidden within each of these mystery packs is a Dungeons and Dragons themed crayon.
Dungeons and Dragons themed crayon.
Crayon.
Oh, okay. I thought you said crayon.
12 to collect, and we got 1.
I was gonna say, ooh, I want to color an orc.
You know what?
But I thought you said crayon.
No.
We got a crayon.
No.
How exciting is that?
No.
Here, you could look at that.
I can't. You know what? I can't even see. It's like that. It's a crayon. Yep. Doesn't even.
Okay, so it's like a Lego figure.
Oh, look at it. Which one did we get? Kroll, Ramus, Lander, Vascal. What color? We got the Lander.
Yes. There's the shield. We got Lander.
Okay.
We didn't get the bad guy?
No. Okay, so let me do this. This way. And up.
Yes.
Look. I can't. I'm so short. He's the little blue guy. Thank you. You know what? You do that.
See, there he is. This guy right here.
Yeah. He's in a million little pieces.
Yeah. A little bit more complicated than a Lego guy.
Yeah, so we're just gonna
That's cool.
leave him.
That is cool.
Yeah. Okay, so our next one is Tetris. Dun dun dun. It's a notebook.
140-page notebook with 7 colored sections. So it's a Tetris notebook.
Yeah. Cool.
Tells you on the back to go to Tetris.com.
Put all your thoughts and ideas together perfectly, like 4 lines of Tetramino in this colorful notebook from Tetris. 140 pages. Exactly what it says. 7 separate sections for each of the blocks. There were 7 colors. Oh!
Okay, that's cool.
Oh, that is neat.
And they got the little sections.
I like that.
That is pretty cool.
That is.
I want to write in the green one. And the green one stuck to the purple one. Maybe I don't want to write in the green one.
Oh yeah, way to go.
Let's go for the pink one.
Send us a notebook that the pages are glued together.
It's only 1 page.
I said not for me. I'm picky.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, at least Loot Crate didn't send you a women's shirt.
Yeah, never got that taken care of.
Yeah, still working on that.
We're having a fantastic time. Next, our lavender block. Okay, so everybody remember the autograph.
Oh, yes.
You got either or, and it was guaranteed.
Yes.
Yes. So you want to see which one we got?
It was either Val Kilmer
More.
or Warwick Davis.
Yes.
I had to think of a second.
I know it was Warwick. Look at, wait until you see.
Okay, here we go. I think that's Val.
Yeah, this wow.
Val Kilmer.
It has it on here. Signed, sealed, and delivered. Warwick Davis or Val Kilmer have come a long way from Knockmar to Gotham, all the way to Hogwarts to sign these willow prints just for you. This month's block will contain, and it shows you Warwick Davis's signature or Val.
Oh, it gives you an example signature. Nice.
So, we got the little scribbled B. So, we got Val.
Yep.
This is cool though, I like him.
That is cool.
It is, that's nice. We'll put that in a frame.
Yes.
And say, woohoo, look at what we got.
We will frame that.
Yeah, us and what, how many other 100,000 people? Okay, so.
Everybody that ordered Nerd Block.
Alright, here comes our first t-shirt. Yay, here it is. Okay, I don't know what it is.
I don't know, but I'm liking the look of it so far.
Oh, that explains it. The good, the mad, the ugly. Wow. Nice.
There's the good, the mad, and the ugly.
So you got Batman, Joker, and Two-Face.
Yes. Very nice.
I actually knew that.
I know.
How impressive, huh?
Yeah, my geekiness is rubbing off.
I am geeky. I would like to consider me as good-looking geeky, but you know, some people. Alright, and
You are good-looking geeky.
And the next one,
You are good-looking geeky.
I'm taking one of these. Merry Christmas to Kimmy. Angle Butterbeer Pub Crowd.
Harry Potter.
Oh, it's Harry Potter.
A butterbeer shirt. It's the annual butterbeer pub crawl.
That kind of leaves me with no shirt. Again. That gives my Yay for Gizmo. He's so adorable.
You got Gizmo.
I got Gizmo. So, that's it.
That is it.
Nerd block.
It's empty.
It's empty. Yeah. Alright guys, so thank you for watching December's Nerd block.
Yes.
Was it a theme?
Yes.
What was the theme?
Nerd stuff.
I guess so.
It was nerd stuff.
It was good though.
You could have the book.
The Tetris? I haven't quite yet figured out what Tetris and Gremlins have.
Gizmo like to play Tetris while drinking butterbeer with Batman, the Joker, and Two-Face.
I think I would just like
And
someone
playing D&D.
to explain to me, and I'm not complaining, awesome box, but what nerd block? So what is so nerdy about Gremlins?
It's a cult favorite.
Okay.
It's one of the best Christmas movies besides Die Hard.
Oh, it is a Christmas. Well, yeah.
Yeah,
What?
it's a Christmas movie.
Is it really?
Yes,
Why do people think Die Hard's a Christmas movie?
because it happens at Christmas. Don't you remember the Nakatomi Towers at Christmas time?
I know.
And he threw the one guy out the window?
I know.
Welcome to the party, pal. Come on, it's a great Christmas movie.
Thank you for watching Nerd Block this month. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Have a Happy New Year.
Exactly.
And we're going to keep coming back. Maybe we'll do a video of us just talking about things.
Talking about nothing. That should be quiet.
Go ahead, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more of us or our Minecraft videos.
Yes.
And other random games.
Yes.
And maybe possibly just sitting here listening to him say yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Pizza out.
I like tacos. You gotta hit the button to get it to stop.